very good morning to all my dear friends. Today I am going to prepare an immunity drink. This is again very important again for you during this COVID-19, and this is my grandmother's recipe. And here is the few plants that I have. So I have the turmeric plant here. This is again the chili. Just started coming, and I have put a few more turmeric plants, and that's again a palm leaves, and that's aloe vera, and this curry leaves is still again sprouting. I have a money plant and tulsi as well. So today the immunity drink that I am going to prepare, for that we will need again you know the leaves of the tamarind plant. So with these leaves I'm going to prepare the immunity drink. So let's go into the recipe. Hello guys, see I'm back again. So this is the ingredients that you require for this immunity drink. So the turmeric leaf, this is again the coriander seeds. I have taken around 2 teaspoons of coriander, this a little bit of cloves, a little bit of the ajwain. You have a few inches of the cinnamon and around 4 cloves. This is again for 3 people. This is only for 3 of us. This is cumin seeds and a little bit of ginger. This again, what you need to do is you need to kind of grind it in a mortar and pestle. You cannot grind it in a mixer or kind of chopper. You need to use the mortar and pestle. You need to cut these leaves in small pieces, and then you have to do this. And have been taking this immunity drink from a very long time, but now from 4 to 5 months from the time this the pandemic has started, so we have kind of increased the consuming this immunity, and it's almost like 2 times a week that we have been consuming. And the reason being, again, this is not only good for not only good for your immunity, but again, if people with diabetes and people with any kind of sinus issues, this is a very good drink. If you don't have the leaf, you can take the fresh tamarind that you get in the market. That fresh tamarind also you can use same quantity as the ginger. So how much ever ginger you're taking, same quantity of that fresh tamarind you can take for this recipe. And you can now try this recipe for kids especially. They stay away from cold, cough, any kind of a fever, because I have been taking this again. And my daughter, by God's grace, she's not having any kind of a cold, cough, and all. So just try this recipe at home, and it's my grandmother's recipe. So it really works. So it's a very simple thing. You just need to grind all this, coarsely grind all this in this mortar and pestle, and try to boil it with 2 glasses of water. For this quantity and for 3 people, I'm taking 2 glasses of water. So this is how it is, and we'll start kind of slowly. You can start grinding this. See, guys, I have grinded this coarsely, and it's just like around you'd get around 4 teaspoons of this for 3 people. It's not that you need to grind it very fine. It just has to be little coarse, just till the time the spices release the flavors, and the tamarind leaves and the ginger release its juices. So till that time you need to kind of pound it. And once it's done, I have kept around 2 glasses of water for boiling. So what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and add these the spice mix to this water, and let it boil for around at least half an hour, and in slow flame. So let it boil for half an hour in slow flame. For kids again, it might be a bit spicy, and even for the elders, they it might create a bit of heat in your body. So for that, what you can do is you can add a little bit of lime once it's ready. When you're trying to consume it, you would just add a few drops of lime, and for kids, you can add a bit of the jaggery, so they will be able to kind of consume it. For elders, you can try to do without any kind of sweetener. Just add a bit of lime if you want to reduce on the heat, but again, lime is also very good now. So just try to add a few drops once it's done, and it won't create any kind of heat in your body. But this immunity drink is really very, very good, and maybe it's the perfect recipe at this time. So just try this. Once it comes to a boil, lower the flame, close the lid, and let it kind of boil for at least 20 to 30 minutes in very slow flame. And you can keep that aside for around 2 to 3 hours, and then you can consume it in the maybe after 2 to 3 hours you can consume it. You strain it and consume it. So guys, I hope you like this not a recipe again, but an immunity drink that was again taught to us by our grandmother. So you can go ahead and try this, and if you like this recipe, the immunity drink especially, so please go ahead and subscribe and press the bell icon, and do like this video. Thank you guys.